Computer, turn my TV off.
Okay.
Period. Hey y'all, it's me, Yasmin Yvonne, and this is us. And if you're new here, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys read by the title, I know y'all ready to see this car tour, but first up, I'm gonna go get a car wash. Well, I'm gonna actually physically do a car wash because it just doesn't make any sense to spend $30 for me to drive my car through a car wash and then they just wipe it down and vacuum. I could do that myself, you know what I'm saying? So I'm all about saving money. So I'm about to meet up with my boyfriend so we can go ahead and get that done. Let me show you guys Faye. She got a haircut. She kind of acting camera shy. I don't know. This girl be tripping. Faye, come. Look at Faye, you guys. Yeah, she got like a whole little tube. She's so cute. So she's coming along with me. Cause not till I say she's always with me. So I'm not gonna talk y'all heads out too much. I think I'm gonna stop at the gas station to get changed. And yeah, so I'm just taking you guys along with me and let's freaking get in the car. Okay guys, so we made it to the car wash. I actually been here for a minute. So I decided that I'm not gonna hand wash. I'm going to do the automatic. So I'm about to pay for it, but there's a car in there, so I'm not really in a rush to pay for it, you know. My boyfriend, he's gonna do the hand wash. I just gave him my coins because I was just like, I'm cold and I just don't feel like it anymore. So let me go ahead and get my wallet out. I wish I could place y'all down. Let me see, hold on. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and pick the car wash.
Please insert payment now. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
So slowly. Ooh. Oh wow. That girl not really feeling it. She's very intrigued though, I will say, but she ain't really. I didn't see no soap, so I hope they actually washed it because it was $12. I ain't see no soap. I just seen buffing and buffing and buffing and buffing. So, we'll see. This is supposedly the wax. I didn't know if I was supposed to put my car in park or neutral. I just put it in neutral because it didn't give me any direction. So, yeah. What? It's done already? It says exit slowly. Alright, y'all. So now we're about to vacuum. I think I'm going to do the back first and move Faye to the front. And that way, yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, let me hurry up. Because I've been sitting here for a little minute because I had to delete some stuff off my camera because I didn't have any storage. But yeah, we about to get right into this vacuuming. Y'all, this what the back seat looking like because of Faye behind. I'm going to take these out. Ooh, they're pink. This is the back. This is the before. Alright. lie, y'all, that was definitely a flop. Recording wise and vacuum wise, like I'm kind of irritated because luckily my boyfriend gave me his quarters, but it's just like it didn't even warn me that the time was running out and I couldn't get the driver's side, so I'm kind of annoyed by that. And it was just a lot. I was able to get this side done though, in the back seats. But overall, I'm just like, I'm not gonna be cheap. Like, I'm typically the type to just go to the car wash and go get it done. But I was like, no, I think it'll be a fun video if I do it myself. No, I'm not doing this again. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little clip that you did get. But just know, I'm not doing this shit again. No, like, that was a waste of time. I'm tired, didn't eat yet, so I'm like, ugh. So, car wash, flop. But I will give y'all a car tour. I'm debating if I want to go home real quick, try to vacuum some more and wipe down my car. So we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, y'all, quick little update. I'm in a better mood. I was really irritated because the sound in my car was not working. Like, it would show my music playing, but nothing was working. Radio wasn't working, and it's like, why not? You know, I just got a car, so it's like, why the hell not? It's not working. I dropped Faye off, and now I'm with Babe. He just got in the car, as y'all just seen, literally. And I guess I'm about to just figure out something to eat. And then I'm letting my car still like dry off a little bit, but I still will be giving you guys a car tour. So, but we gotta eat because we ain't eat nothing all day. So, about to figure that out, and then once we figure it out, I'll check back in with y'all. This is the aftermath. I didn't realize the last minute that they gave me chicken and I ordered a steak burrito. I ate one side. Street corn was good. I give it an 8 out of 10. These were really, really, really good. His stomach's hurting, so he didn't finish them. And then the chips and salsa was good. I already told him everything. Y'all, so we ended up ordering one of these. It's fruit punch. I don't like fruit punch, but it was good, so. But we got to leave. She's trying to come over here and look at the camera. Why did I flinch as if you beat me or something?
You know it was good.
That was so rude.
You beat me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm about to go back.
Yeah. Last one to the car is a rotten egg. And you dropped my phone. Come on. Come on. You dropped my phone.
I did not.
Yes, you did. You ran back for it.
That was my phone.
Okay, guys. So I went into Target. That joint was packed. Like, lines everywhere. You know, it's that time of the year. But I was able to get her a gift card. A Visa gift card. And then I'm just going to get her a birthday card. I need to get a birthday bag because I got a lot of clothes that I want to give her. So, stay tuned for that. Whew, I'm full and tired. Okay, y'all. So, I'm finally about to do the car tour, which you guys clicked on this video for. I just had to run some errands, get some things out the way. But, without further ado, let's get into this freaking car tour.
I gave him the drip, they sucked it up, I got him on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that five when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm gon' run out of slave. I had that draw that not too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I rap me, so I took a private plane. Get like I'm working on my aim. You too hard to the car, to the center, to the grind, like a better spell a name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around and drown, try and run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up.